How to customize MDGram application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily customize your MDGram application, which is an alternative application for your Telegram application. So to customize it according to your choice, what you can do is simply head over to your MDGram application and make sure you log in with your Telegram login credentials. It should be same as that in the Telegram application. So once you do that, what you can do is simply, as you can see at the top, there is a one circular icon like a sun. So once you click on it, it will change your default theme to white. And if you again press on the moon, it will show you the night version, that is black dark theme. So that is one step to customize your MDGram. So another step is simply head over to your settings, and inside your settings you can see MDGram settings. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you can see various different options. So first one is main screen. Once you're inside here, what you can do is simply press over different tab style and title style. So to change your tab title style, simply click on it. As you can see, there are three different options with your name and with icons, and with names only, with icons only. Similarly, you can also change the tab style, which is in the rounded shape or default like this. As you can see, I like to keep it on the default. You can also hide all the chat tabs like this, as you can see. And furthermore, you can also change your theme by default theme. For example, if your by default theme is this one, you can also change it to this or this, just like this, as you can see. So that is exactly how you can easily customize your MDGram theme. You can also do a lot more stuff inside from over here. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.